Suspected coronavirus cases are growing in Maryland right now. 14 people are waiting for their test results to come back as lawmakers push through emergency funding. Hello, everyone. I'm Vic Carter.
And I'm Denise Koch. No one has tested positive in Maryland, but there have been more than 3,000 deaths linked to coronavirus worldwide.
Tonight, 3 students from a Baltimore private school are in quarantine after possibly being exposed. WJZ investigator Mike Kellgren is live in Annapolis with more on that and the action lawmakers took today. Mike.
Vic and Denise, this emergency funding measure puts $50 million on the table. It will now go before the full Senate. Now, 10 more people were tested for coronavirus in Maryland today, and we're learning more about that possible indirect exposure at a private school in Northwest Baltimore. The Benoist Yisrael School in Northwest Baltimore remains open, but 3 students are under quarantine after possible exposure to coronavirus. Their story shows just how fast and far an outbreak can spread. According to the Wall Street Journal, the girls are sisters who attended a bas mitzvah in White Plains, New York last weekend, also attended by a confirmed coronavirus patient from New Rochelle, New York, which has been the epicenter of the illness there after an attorney became sick February 22nd.
8 of the new cases are connected to the attorney from Westchester, the New Rochelle area.
The students currently have no symptoms. Baltimore City's health department says there was no need to shut down Benoist Yisrael, telling WJZ protocols were followed and the students were properly isolated and removed from the school.
Thank you and thank the Senate as a whole.
In Annapolis, Maryland's House and Senate fast-tracked an emergency spending bill that will provide up to $50 million to fight the coronavirus from the state's rainy day fund.
We know it's worldwide, nationwide, and we're trying to get ahead of this.
That includes extra money for lab staff and testing supplies. Tests are now being done at the state lab in East Baltimore.
We anticipate great increases in volume of testing.
31 patients in Maryland have been tested. 17 have negative results. 14 test results are pending.
We right now have over 300 individuals in Maryland who the health department is monitoring through telephone. These are asymptomatic people that have come back from international travel.
And that's the first time we heard that 300-plus number. Now, the state lab in Baltimore is now working 2 shifts to keep up with the demand. We'll get new numbers on testing in the morning. Live in Annapolis, Mike Kellgren, WJZ.